Hello everyone, welcome to ICML 2021 in the conference Beyond First Order Methods in ML Systems. Today I'm going to talk about principal curriculum learning using parameter continuation methods. My name is Harsh. I am a PhD student at Worcester Polytechnic Institute and also a data scientist at Expedia. I work on this research along with my advisor, Professor Randy Paffenroth. So the main idea of this work revolves around the optimization problem of deep neural networks. As we all know, the neural network's cost surface is highly non-convex and consists of many local minima, maxima, and plateaus, which makes it very hard even for state-of-the-art optimizers such as RMSProp and ADAM to get to the global minimum. In this work, we propose a different approach. We say that instead of solving this gigantic non-convex problem directly, we should start from a very easy version of the problem, let's say M, and then slowly move towards the harder and harder problem, and finally to the problem you are interested in. Now, this kind of solution usually yields a solution path, which is nothing but a curve between your parameters and your difficulty parameter or the homotopy parameter. So here we use homotopy to decompose this original problem into a series of problems. Now, this can be related well with curriculum learning, where you again decompose one task into a series of tasks or phases and then solve them in some specific manner. But we propose that instead of using the difficulty parameter to progress from the easier version of the problem to the hard version of the problem, we can use some of the implicit properties of the solution path itself or the solution curve itself to come up with an adaptive curriculum method, which is more principled. It is principled because our method is fundamentally built upon the implicit function theorem, which helps us to build a more robust method for our continuation technique. In particular, instead of using the lambda parameter, which is our homotopy parameter, to move from M to L, we suggest in this paper to use a pseudo arc length parameterization to track this solution path very closely, such that we always remain at some basin of attraction. And this method was originally invented by Professor Herbert Keller, and these findings suggest that pseudo arc length continuation is robust, meaning it can get around the singularities such as folds very easily. After we apply both the natural parameter continuation and the pseudo arc length continuation methods to the deep learning framework, and we compare that with the standard methods such as ADAM, and we find that results are comparable and in many cases even better for the continuation methods than the standard methods for both an unsupervised and a supervised task. In future, we want to do a more extensive analysis on the results and on more standard neural network architectures such as ResNet and probably with dataset of MNIST or CIFAR. Thank you.